how to use Nano Banana AI tools, Google's powerful image editing AI. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Nano Banana AI tools, Google's brand new AI feature for editing and generating images with simple text prompts. So, what exactly is Nano Banana? It's a creative AI tool powered by Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image model. With it, you can upload your photos or even start from scratch, and then transform them using natural language. You can change backgrounds, edit hairstyles, switch outfits, adjust lighting, or even create fun 3D figurine style versions of yourself, your friends, or your pets. The best part is that Nano Banana keeps the subject consistent. That means if you upload your own face or your pet's picture, it still looks like you after the edit, not like a random AI generated stranger. Now, how do you use it? First, go to the Google Gemini website or open the Gemini app. Second, upload a photo you want to edit. Third, simply type your prompt. For example, you can write, "Turn this photo into a superhero figurine on a display stand," or change the background to a beach at sunset. Within seconds, Nano Banana will generate a brand new version of your image while keeping the original subject recognizable. You can also merge multiple photos into one scene. For example, you could upload two separate images of you and your friend and tell Nano Banana, "Put us together in front of the Eiffel Tower at night." Every generated image comes with a watermark called Synth ID, so people know it's AI made, which makes it safe and responsible to share online. Right now, Nano Banana is available for free inside Google Gemini and Google AI Studio. It may have some limits for free users, but it's super easy to try. So if you want to experiment with professional looking photo edits, fun creative effects, or even 3D collectible toy versions of your selfies, Nano Banana AI tools are worth checking out. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step guides on the latest AI tools.